I'm Friendswood Mayor Mike Foreman at the Friendswood First Baptist Church Family Life Center. I hope you'll join me here for the Friendswood Business Expo on Thursday, September 20th, between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. It's an opportunity for you to get to know dozens of Friendswood area businesses, see the unique products and services they have to offer, and it's a good way for you to learn more about how to support the growth of the local economy. It's free and open to everyone. Remember to dream big, and I hope to see you here Thursday.